Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the error of too many login attempts on Swiggy. So the first thing, open your settings, then go to iPhone storage, scroll down a little bit until you find Swiggy, then click on it and click on Offload App. This will remove the cache without removing the necessary data. Then click on Reinstall app after the offload. If this method didn't work, try to switch your internet connection between data to Wi-Fi. This should solve the problem. If none of these methods work, just wait until the lockout period expires. This happens sometimes due to security reason. After checking, they will allow you to log in again. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.